In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Loom recording. Whether it's a video you've created yourself or one someone else has shared with you, the process is straightforward, yet it varies slightly based on the context. Let's start with how you can download your own Loom video. This applies to users who are the video creators or authorized admins with the necessary permissions. First things first, you'll need to log into your Loom account. Once you're in, head over to the section labeled My Library. This is where all your recorded videos are conveniently stored. Scroll through until you find the specific video that you'd like to download. Upon locating your desired recording, focus your attention on the three-dot menu icon, which often represents additional options. Clicking on these dots will unveil a drop-down menu. Within this list, you should see an option labeled Download. Selecting this will start the process of saving the video directly to your computer as an MP4 file. Make sure you take note of where your downloads are usually saved, so you can easily find your video once the process is complete. It's important to mention a few key details about the download feature. To have downloading capabilities, you really need to ensure you have the right role within your Loom account. Admins and creators using Business or Business Plus AI workspaces, as well as admins in education workspaces, are provided with this downloading privilege. In larger organizations that utilize enterprise workspaces, both admins and members can download videos. However, if you're using the Creator Lite or Starter free plans, the download option isn't available as part of the package. Now, while I'm sharing this information, I should note that, for this demonstration, I was using the free version of Loom as well. Due to this, the download option wasn't visible to me. However, rest assured the process remains the same for those with the proper permissions, and thus, everything relevant is covered. Always remember that downloading videos is not just about having the right buttons and permissions at your fingertips. It's also about ensuring you respect copyright and privacy laws, especially when downloading content that others have created. Only download content that you have the rights to or permission for. And there we have it. With these steps, you can easily download and save any Loom recordings that you're authorized to access. Keep this guide handy for when you need to reference it again, and feel free to share this with colleagues who might find the process equally beneficial. Thank you for tuning in, and happy downloading.